We guide you through how to send an audio file on Instagram. So the first thing you need to do is to open the Instagram app and make sure you are logged in into your account. Then tap the messenger or chat icon at the top right corner of your screen. Next, open an existing conversation or tap the pencil icon to start a new message and select the person you want to send the audio file to. Now, if your audio is already saved on your device, tap the plus or attachment icon beside the message box, then choose Audio or Files, depending on your phone, and browse your storage to find the audio file you want to send. Select the file, wait for it to upload, and then tap Send. If you don't see an option for audio files, you can also use the voice recording feature by pressing and holding the microphone icon to record and send audio instantly. For users who have audio in other apps, you can share it directly to Instagram by tapping the share button in the app and selecting Instagram messages. Once sent, your audio will appear in the chat where the receiver can play it instantly.